How's it going, guys? In this crazy video, I am about to show you how to turn $1,000 into $160,000 with JASMY. Make sure to stay right to the very end because there is jam-packed information on this coin that you are going to want to see. We'll see you inside, beautiful souls. How's it going? What's up and what's happening there, blessed beautiful souls? Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show. Thanks for being here with me. I'm Kiara Ducasse, and today I have an awesome crypto right here, right now, just for you guys, because absolutely it is going to obliterate its current price action right now. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into the video. You guys have been loving the content, so keep loving the content. Like the channel, subscribe to the channel if you're not watching, if you're not subscribed yet, and let's rock the beautiful energy. I'd love to see 10 likes on this video, so let's pump it up. Crypto Bliss community. All right, guys. In today's project, I am going to be talking about, and I did actually do a video on it not too long ago, and it actually got an insane amount of views. So let's make sure that we hit even more views than what we previously got. Okay, right now we are talking about JASMY coin. Okay, so JASMY coin is ranked 166 at the moment. That's its logo, that's its name, that's its ticker. It's currently sitting at 004. It's up 3.2% for the day. It's on 45,000 people's watch lists. It's currently sitting at, let's just call it a $200 million market cap with a $11.5 million trading volume, and it's fully diluted as just over 200 million. Its maximum supply of coins is 50 billion, and 48.5 billion of those are already in circulation. So that's all very, very good sign. All in circulation, which means that you cannot get dumped on, which is amazing, guys. Now, I've shown you this video before. The previous high was $4.79. That was pretty way high up there. And it's currently up from its all-time low about 6 months ago at the 27.0027 cents, which is up about 47% from there already. So last time I did this video, it was actually sitting at 16 cents. So if you guys didn't buy it down there, it's okay. It's still a decent enough place for you to buy it and make some absolute insane killer gains. So I'm going to show you guys a few things right now. So let's go and have a look at the actual coin for what it is. So there's two different websites. The first website you can click using this, which is jasmy.co.japan, JP, which is Japan. And this coin is actually a coin that is in the Japanese economy, and the Japanese really love this coin in this ecosystem. So here is the Japanese version of the website. Okay, you can see it's there's a lot of Japanese in it. But let's go and have a look at the English website. So jasmy.global. And you guys can get JASMY on, let's go and see where we can buy some JASMY coins. I did say this to you guys. You can get some on Mexi, Finex, Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Gate.io. So you unfortunately can't use my Bitflex link or my Bybit link down there below just yet. But you want to trade other altcoins like this, then make sure to hit my Bitflex link down below and get yourself a $100 deposit. When you deposit $100, you'll get a $50 deposit bonus. So $150 just for you guys. Thanks, Bitflex. Appreciate that. Shout out to Bitflex. Okay, guys. JASMY, as you can see, it's bringing decentralized data democracy. So it's bringing value to the community, and they have now listed on Bitforex. JASMY trading tournament, 100,000 in JASMY and NFTs to be shared. News, $5,000 worth of airdrops awaits. Get at Gate.io, new leverage listing tokens. Trade JASMY 3LS and get rewarded. So data democracy. So build as Japan's Bitcoin. JASMY is a tokenized platform that champions the democratization of data by can't even get my words out. Combining blockchain and IoT technology to provide an infrastructure that allows anyone to use data safely and securely. So the Japanese are loading this up as their personal Japan's Bitcoin. Now, my personal view, it'll never be a Bitcoin. It won't ever have the same functionality as Bitcoin. Most coins that have tried to mimic Bitcoin have not actually greatly succeeded. So I just want to say to you that I feel as though JASMY will succeed in its own right to protect our decentralized data democracy. That's what they will do incredibly well. Whereas with Bitcoin, not all your data is protected from a decentralized perspective. Even though Bitcoin is decentralized, people can still look at your wallets. They can still see what you're doing, what activity you're doing when you're buying, you're selling, etc. So, JASMY aims to regain data sovereignty for all. So, in other words, companies like Meta and Facebook and Instagram and these companies where they capture your data and sell your data to other people, this is a company that's working towards protecting you from that mistake. So with the innovative use of blockchain technology, we can create a decentralized and more democratic use of data where you'll be able to store and control your data in a safe and secure manner, safely and securely manage and control your own devices, provide safe and secure use of your data in clear rules. So how does it actually work? Well, your lot of data, merchants pay you in JASMY coin to use your data. So you get paid to have your data being used. Not Facebook gets paid to use your data, because that's what's busy happening and you get fuck all. So this is great from that perspective, because we need a little bit more of this in this world. So fresh data generated by IoT devices will be stored securely, and merchants are required to pay for access to your data, and that's using the JASMY coins. So the JASMY IoT platform. To achieve this, we have combined blockchain and IoT technology to provide the best platform to you across industries around the world. So there's IoT devices, platforms, mobile applications, strategy and management support, and secure data analysis. So JASMY also allows storage of personal information in a personal data locker, PDL. PDL identifies the individual by confirming the existence of the personal information. So you can go and check out and discover the JASMY ecosystem. I actually don't know much about the JASMY ecosystem, so that would be nice to see for us as a community. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, smash the like button right there. That would be gratefully appreciated. JASMY was founded with the idea of data democracy. We believe in every person's right to safer and more secure personal data. So you can trade JASMY. It's currently sitting at, boom, we have 52,600 hodlers. The market cap of the coin is 196 million. It is an ERC20 token. And let's go and see if there's anything else. JASMY blockchain stats. Yeah, let's go and have a look at this. So total transactions total, present, and the target. So active users is about 574,671. The active users target is 107 million. So they've got quite a way to go. And that's okay, because the more people watch this video, like the video, and share this video with other people, the more this project will become exposed. Now, guys, I'm not sponsored by this project. I am buying into this project right now, but I am not in any way sponsored by this project. I do cryptocurrency videos like this for you guys, so that you guys can also benefit and, help your family by earning an extra. I mean, if you're going to, what I'm going to show you in this video, if you take $100 or $1,000, you can literally, from $100, you can make $5,000 to $6,000 off of this coin. If you're taking $1,000, you can probably convert that into about $55,000 to $60,000 at some point. Okay, and that's just a very modest number. So transactions per day, they would like to reach what? Maybe that's 500K. Essentially is what they would like to reach, and their PDR is 16.7, their target, and currently it is 692. So they're whipping ass on that one. Okay. You can go ahead and buy it on these exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Gate, Crypto.com, Bitpoint, Bitfinex, Bybit, Mexi, Sexy, 6IO, Wazer, and Huobi. Now, guys, these are some of the top exchanges in the crypto realm. These guys would not have this coin listed, okay, unless it was for them to do one of two things. One, make money. Tick, they're doing it. Number two, that it has fundamentals and it's not a rug pull. Okay, it's also on Bybit. So actually, you can use my Bybit link down below in the video, in the description, and you guys can go ahead and buy yourself some JASMY. And I will go and do that And I'll make a short video for you in the next day or two where I actually go and physically buy some Bybit and show you guys that that's exactly what I've bought there. Okay, so the decentralized exchanges are already on Uniswap and SimpleSwap. And you can go and discover their team and everything here that you would like to know about this project. Come and do your own research, guys. That's the whole point of these videos. And essentially, let's see here. So JASMY's ecosystem, consume data, secure knowledge communicator. The PDL is there. Consumer receives JASMY coin. Use JASMY coin as a digital currency. The merchant pays for JASMY coin to use the data and secure your knowledge communicator. So it's pretty cool. It's based on a peer-to-peer kind of network. So you want my data and you want to use my data, you have to pay for it. Most of these marketing companies around the world actually don't pay people to use their data. They just use it because in the fucking gigantic encyclopedias of terms and conditions, most people just agree and continue. Who wants to actually read that shit? But that stuff is so important, and I'm guilty of that myself. I don't actually read that stuff. So it has a smart guardian. It's got JASMY solution and data management. It's got JASMY IoT platform and reward system. It's got payment services. It's got secure PC, so you can secure your computer. So it's a very good ecosystem, guys. And if you guys don't know about this coin, come over and do some research at jasmy.global, because obviously the Chinese website is, the Japanese website is in Japanese, and it's very difficult for us to analyze. Now, let's come back to the numbers of this coin very, very quickly. So this is the market cap at the all-time high. The market cap at the all-time high was sitting at about 1.250 billion, okay? And that 1.250 billion was when we were sitting up there at the $4.79 price. Now, guys, if we were to do a $1.25 billion market cap for this coin right now, that's only a 6x from where we are today. So 6x is going to take us to a 0.25 cent price. So 2 pennies, in other words, okay? 2 pennies, 2.5 pennies, okay, is what it will give us. So that's like a 6x, just to get to that previous all-time high. Now, I want to go and show you something in the in terms of its tokenomics. So there's incentives, which is 5% allocation, contributors and communities, which is 20%, funds and institutional investments, 27%, and the ecosystem is 48%. So the ecosystem is mostly run by people like us. Incentives are growing, which is great, and it has grown ever since it's been in the, obviously launched. So I just want to go and show you something. 1.250 billion kind of puts us around here where Near Protocol is right now, okay? Up at position 40. And obviously, like I said, it's currently sitting at number 166. So it's got quite a way to get back up here. Does it mean it can't? No, it doesn't mean that. It actually means that it probably can get back to this point. Now, the most beautiful thing about this is that that would put this coin back up in the top 50 coins. But things can change, because when the entire crypto market cap actually increases to the market cap that I've said it could go to between 12 and 15 trillion in the next bull, by the absolute peak of the next bull cycle, this could essentially give this coin an opportunity to get to that level. Now, I think a fair market cap for the coin to work on from now is, and I previously said that this coin could do way higher than that. But if we had to go just to the all-time high, that will give us something like, let's go and see here. $4.79 divided by 0.004 equals a 1,200x. Okay, now I don't believe it's going to do a 1,200x, at least not now in this bull cycle. And I'm going to show you why. So let's go and say that that it manages to get back up to there. Now we need to go and times this by I'm just going to round the market cap off to 200 million, just for the sake of ease here. 200 million, okay. That will give us a $240 billion market cap on this coin. Could it reach that? Probably could reach that, okay. Maybe in the next bull cycle, but in this current bull cycle, that would make it the current Ethereum, more or less the current Ethereum price. So I don't think it will get to that right now, but I think a fair enough market cap for this coin in the next cycle is probably at least $1. Okay. Now I want to go and say $1 divided by 0.004. That will give us 1 divided by 0.004. That will give us a 250x. Now that seems a little bit more reasonable for this coin. Let's go and see times by the market cap of 200 million. That will give us a $50 billion market cap. That's probably a little bit more reasonable, although it's probably still a little bit far-fetched. Okay, that could hit that at the end of the next bull cycle. What do you guys think down below? Do you think JASMY could do this? Do you know about JASMY? Do you own any JASMY? Let me know down in the comments below, guys. I would absolutely love to know if my community owns JASMY. Okay, so now that I've shared this with you guys, what I'd actually like to say is let's go and have a look at the chart, okay? Because I've previously said to you guys, we are drawing in a double bottom, okay? Now, what's even more beautiful is this. It's not directly a head and shoulders pattern, but it's kind of forming this head and shoulders pattern here right now, right? So if we have to go and take the head of this, we would essentially come up just above the target here, at this resistance point here. So could we have a very, very crazy pump from where we currently are up there, which would give it about a 60% pump? And as you can see, like, it wouldn't even go anywhere near the $1 price. And this is why I'm saying to you guys. So with that being said, look at where my previous target was on this coin. Okay, why did I do that? Well, because essentially you guys can see that we are, I mean, if I have to just consider this, and we do break out of this neckline, that will give us a target up here of 0.14 cents, okay, which will become the next target for the JASMY coin price. Okay, now, enough of that. I actually want to say to you guys, along the journey here, when you're buying now at these lows, you're going to buy at some of the lowest lows that this coin has ever seen. Now, if I have to say to you, along the journey, all the way up to the $4 level, okay, I mean, the $4 level is way, way, way up there, okay? Let's not even go and look at that price right now. I just want to say to you guys, if you guys get a trade up to this, maybe this area here, I think that would be a reasonable looking area, right? And that's a 1,600%, which would give us 160x on the coin from today's money. So if you invested $100, you would make then 160 times 100 is going to give us 16,000. Okay, let alone 1,600. Okay, no, 16,000. I was right. 16,000. 160x with $100 is 116,000. Yeah, let me go and make sure that that's right. 160 times 100 gives us 16,000. There you go. Okay, so that will give you 16,000. Now imagine if you had to invest $1,000. Your $1,000 times the 160x would give you $160,000 for $1,000 investment. Fuck, guys. I tell you what, the way you're going to do this is you're going to find your own take profit levels. You're going to, as an example, I would take first 25% at this level. Okay, my next 25% at this level, my next 25% at the level I've just shown you, and then I would leave 25% of it to rally to the fucking moon and beyond. So in total, you wouldn't necessarily make a total of 160,000, because that would mean you're buying everything and you're holding it all until this point. And the point of trading and in investing is to take profits. Okay, so if you were to go and basically spend $100 today, you would get 24,500 coins. If you were to spend $1,000, you get 24,600 coins. Okay. Now you're selling 25% of that, which is about 65,000 coins at a time. Okay. Let's go here and just say $250, 62,000 coins at a time. So each 25%, you sell 62,000 coins, boom, sell, thanks, take profit, and you're out. Okay. Now, if I had to go and say to you guys, the $1, it hits the $1 price, and you taking 62,000, that's already 62,000 profit, right? And you only invested $1,000. And this is why people make so much fucking money in crypto, guys. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please remember, you can go and trade this with me on Bybit. I will do a short video very soon, so make sure to hit that notification bell and go and check this video out because it was even better than this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys there. And make sure to go and buy some. No financial advice, but if you guys want to make some good money, it's a great coin to look at that right now. Peace out.